Hi, Hannes, and I'd like to give you a quick feedback on the 1 cent challenge. About 67 days ago, I took a cent and I said, the story, you can find it on YouTube, and I said that I'm going to turn this 1 cent and get an 8 billion% growth on it within the next year. That is 800,000 Rand here in South Africa. That morphed through a process where I bought one BSV, Bitcoin, and I got the BSV for free, by the way, because of the profits that I've made from the 1 cent. And by applying the wealth creator strategy, I have to add that because it's not possible in any other way that I know of, at least. And then I said, okay, I'm going to turn this one BSV into at least $1 million, because that is the true value. There's 100 million sats within one Bitcoin, and each and every one of those sats has got a meaning and a value. Now, the protocol is locked, but the potential is unlimited. And all you have to do is to add your skills to that protocol. And by doing that, you extract the value that is basically given to you for a fraction of cents, where you can build businesses on. And this is what I'm busy doing. I thought, let me give you a feedback on that, because at the moment we have reached the halfway mark, 400,000 Rand here in South Africa that we've reached. And I've written a blog. I'm going to post it today. You're going to find perhaps a link somewhere on this video to the blog, and then go and listen and read the blog, because you're going to see exactly what I've done. And one of the first marketing strategies that I followed by using this, let's call it, facility that I've got so far has given me more than 64,000% growth on my investment. Now, if you compare that to YouTube or Facebook ads or marketing, you're going to find there's absolutely no comparison. So if you're a marketer, I strongly suggest that at least go through this, read about it, and then make up your mind if you think it's something worth your while. On top of that, if you go through my blog, I'll show you how you can get 50,000 sats, satoshis, from me free of charge. But there's a couple of things that you need to do. It's going to take less than 5 minutes, but you still have to do something. It's not genuine for free. Yeah, this is just an update of that 1 cent challenge to tell you where we are at this stage. Also, just for fun, if you link this to the other challenge that I had taken on in November 2021, I think that with the 1 cent challenge in less than a year, we're going to outperform the best fund managers in the world based on 500,000 Rand investment here in South Africa by far. There's nothing that comes close to skills. Now, there are 4 high-value skills that you need to master, and the first one is the most important one, which is high-value mental skills. Unfortunately, no organization or institution or educational system or financial system is going to teach you this. And with that, the chances are less than 4% that you really be successful financially in your life. The system can't teach you the truth. And this is why I'm demonstrating what I'm demonstrating with this 1 cent challenge, to show you don't need money, you need the skills. And the more skills you've got, the less money you'll need. And of course, the more growth you're going to get on your investment, because you become resourceful. And there's a process. So high value mental skills, if that is not in place, nothing is going to work. Then high value income skill, business skill, investment skill. And this is exactly what I'm demonstrating to my inner circle students that is following me with this 1 cent challenge. So read that blog and give me feedback.